is Violeta Espiritu. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Violeta Iglesias Espiritu. I'm 44 years old. I live in Jugan, Pilipinas, Rizal. I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 4 kids, age of 24, 18, 14, and 11.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate and TESDA FBS graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I work in Malaysia as a domestic helper. My main duty is cleaning the house, washing dishes, and I have taken care of 14 years old kids.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished 2 years contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest and I'm trustworthy and I'm patient in work.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
no, I have cats.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Speak nicely, calmly, and yes,
Can you sing a nursery song?
yes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees, shoulder and head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise that I will take care of your child if you have a child. And to your house, I good in cleaning.